Hi, my name's Mark. Welcome to Membership Websites. How do we change the body background on the website? So you can see down here on the home page as an example, the body background is like a light grey. But what if we want to make the background white? Let me show you. Let's go to the admin section. We'll go to settings, design settings. And then within the first tab, we can see here the main design, and we can set the body background just here. So we can set the body background to be completely white if we want. So that's 255, 255, 255. So make sure that is what appears, and then save the changes. We can go back here and refresh, and hopefully you can see how the background has changed there to white. So that is how you set the body background. So I hope you found that useful, but that is how to set the body background on the main website. Thanks for watching.